Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study the order of operations with brackets and exponents. Let's briefly overview the order of operations. Calculate inside the brackets first, if they exist. If there are many brackets, calculate the innermost brackets. We usually use parentheses. Then, if there are exponents, calculate them. Then, calculate multiplications and divisions. If there are many multiplications and divisions, calculate from the left to right. And finally, additions and subtractions. If there are many additions and subtractions, calculate from the left to right. Now let's try some questions. The first question is 6 minus bracket 5 plus 4 divided by 3 squared times 1. There's a pair of brackets, so we need to calculate inside them, which is 5 plus 4. 6 minus stays the same. And 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And the other parts stay the same. Now we have an exponent, so we need to calculate 3 squared. 6 minus 9 and a division sign stays the same. And 3 squared is equal to 9. And times 1 is still here. Now we have a division and a multiplication, and we need to do them from the left. So we calculate negative 9 divided by 9. Now 6 stays the same, and negative 9 divided by 9 is equal to negative 1. Times 1 is still here. We now calculate negative 1 times 1. 6 stays the same, and negative 1 times 1 is equal to negative 1. Now we have 6 minus 1, so the final answer is 5. Question 2 is 6 plus 5 divided by bracket 4 minus 3 squared times 1. There's a pair of brackets, and we have an exponent inside it, so we need to calculate the exponent, which is 3 squared. Now 6 plus 5 divided by bracket 4 minus stays the same. And 3 squared is equal to 9, and times 1 is here. Now we calculate inside the brackets, which is 4 minus 9. 6 plus 5 and the division sign stays the same, and 4 minus 9 is equal to negative 5, and times 1 is still here. Now we have a division and a multiplication. We need to do them from the left, so we calculate positive 5 divided by bracket negative 5. 6 stays the same. And positive 5 divided by bracket negative 5 is equal to negative 1. Times 1 is here. We now calculate negative 1 times 1. 6 stays the same. And negative 1 times 1 is equal to negative 1. We now have 6 minus 1. So the final answer is 5. Question 3 is 6 minus 5 times bracket 4 plus 3 squared divided by 1. There's a pair of brackets, and we have an exponent, division, and an addition inside it. Exponents are the strongest operation out of the 3 operations, so we need to calculate the exponent, which is 3 squared, first. Now 6 minus 5 times bracket 4 plus stays the same, and 3 squared is equal to 9, and divided by 1 is here. Now we calculate inside the brackets. There are addition and division, and we need to calculate the division first, which is positive 9 divided by 1. Now 6 minus 5 times bracket 4 stays the same, and positive 9 divided by 1 is equal to positive 9. Then we need to calculate inside the bracket, which is 4 plus 9. 6 minus 5 and the multiplication sign is still here, and 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Now we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We need to calculate the multiplication first. So we calculate negative 5 times bracket 13. Now 6 stays the same, and negative 5 times bracket 13 is equal to negative 65. Now we have 6 minus 65, so the final answer is negative 59. Question 4 is 6 plus bracket 5 divided by 4 times parentheses 3 squared minus 1. There are two kinds of brackets. If you have many brackets, we need to calculate the innermost brackets, which is 3 squared minus 1. There's an exponent and a subtraction. Exponents are stronger, so we calculate 3 squared first. Nothing changes to 6 plus bracket 5 divided by 4 times parentheses. 3 squared is equal to 9. Minus 1 stays the same. Now we need to do inside the parentheses, which is 9 minus 1. 6 plus bracket 5 divided by 4, and the multiplication sign is still here. And 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. We now have a division and a multiplication inside the brackets, so we need to do them from the left, which is 5 divided by 4 first. 6 plus stays the same. 5 divided by 4 is a division, and we can change this to a fraction. If you're unsure, please see the video fraction 8. So 5 divided by 4 is equal to 5 over 4. Then times 8 is here. Now a whole number 8 can be changed to a fraction. Please see the video fraction 8 if you're unsure about this. A whole number 8 can be changed to 8 over 1. Now we have a multiplication of fractions. Do you remember what to do? If not, please see the video fraction 11. For the multiplication of fractions, we can cancel first. Check the numerators and denominators. The numerator 8 and the denominator 4 have the common factor 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Nothing changes to 6 plus. In the fraction, 5 times 2 is 10 in the numerator, and 1 times 1 is 1 in the denominator. So we have 10 over 1. A fraction 10 over 1 can be changed to a division 10 divided by 1, which is 10. So this is 6 plus 10. So the final answer is 16. Let's summarize today's lesson. First of all, calculate inside the brackets if they exist. Calculate from the innermost brackets if there are many brackets. Then calculate exponents if they exist. Then calculate multiplications and divisions. If there are many multiplications and divisions, calculate from the left to right. And finally, additions and subtractions. If there are many additions and subtractions, calculate from the left to the right. As a result, brackets first, then exponents, then multiplications and divisions, and finally, additions and subtractions. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thank you and have a good one.